So today is February 19, 2026, and this is going to be Tuesday's trade breakdown, February 17th, 2026. And basically this is that breakdown from that day. I'm gonna tell you what I saw and just break down what happened. So right off the back, I'm on the NASDAQ 5-minute chart. I see this. I see that prices on a little downtrend right here. It went down, went up, went down, broke this low, came back up, created a lower high, and it came down, breaking this low, creating a new lower low, right? So right off the back, I'm seeing, okay, price is breaking lows. It's breaking lows and it's on a downtrend. We got the 3 MAs above. Right off the back, I don't see no gap right here. I don't see no fair value gap on the 5-minute time frame. So I went to the 15-minute time frame, and here you can see a clearer structure breakdown of price action, what it's doing. You know, it's going down, boom. So we could see on the higher time frame that we're in a downtrend. And right here we also see a gap, a fair value gap. Oh crap. Well, I drew my zone from this whole bullish candle, this whole green candle right here. Boom. That was my whole zone, right? The whole bullish candle. But if you really look at it, like, this is where the candle started pushing up on the 15-minute, but the gap is actually like right here. So you can see, boom, we have a fair value gap. Damn. About right here, this little gap right here, that's a fair value gap on the 15-minute, and it's showing you that this, as you can see, price broke this low and it broke these lows, right? So this price right here broke these lows, showing you that, okay, we're in a downtrend. 3 MAs were still above. That created a supply zone. Right now we're just waiting for price to come back up, hit our zone, reject off of it, see how it reacts, so then we could take sales. So that's basically what I did. From here I jumped down to the 5-minute, and from the 5-minute I was just waiting for price to come and hit this 15-minute supply zone, right? From here we're just waiting. Then around 8:20 price hit our zone. From here I was like, okay, we're getting ready for sales. I already sent it to the group chat, right? It's very easy, simple trade setup that we literally take every other day, or literally almost every day. So yeah, right here I saw this candle rejecting of the zone. I'm like, okay, next break a candle low, I'm getting in the trade for sales. So right here, price broke the low. 1-to-1 is right here. That's my first target. Second target is like right here, right? So that's this trade. From here we was already in the trade, and we were just waiting for price to hit our target, right? There was no news going on as well. This looks like a very clean setup. We got break of structure, clear break of structure. Even on the higher time frame, we got clear break of structure. 3 MAs are above. We can see that price is on a clear downtrend. Even if we go to the higher time frame, right, we see that price is on a clear downtrend right here. We got lows, higher low, lower low, higher low, lower low. We see we're in a downtrend. All we want is that little move right here, price breaking this last recent low, or at least going near it and hitting our 1-to-1 target, so we could cash out and take profit, right? So from here we're just waiting. We're just holding. I was just holding the trade, being patient. I see price started pulling back, price is going down, and then boom, this is around 8:50. At 8:50, there's no news going on. There's a random ass candle just freaking blasted all the way up, blasted through the zone, hit my stop loss. My stop loss was like around here, right? Hit my stop loss and broke the zone. From there I was just like, what just happened? Like, this was a very clean setup, very clean trade. There's no news events going on at this time. That must have been either Trump saying some shit or some other worldly events that I'm not aware of that must have happened and triggered price to just push up crazy like this on at 8:50 in the morning. It's not even 9:30 yet, which is 9:30 is when the New York Stock Exchange opens. But yeah, that's what happened on Tuesday, February 17th. From there, we got stopped out, and that was it for the day. Price started pushing back up. 9:30 open, price pushed all the way up there, and then bam, and then dropped. Which the move that we was expecting for it to happen happened after the New York Stock Exchange opened, or literally it happened like an hour later, which is cool. On this trade, I lost like $500. It was a $500 loss for the week, but hey, can't complain because at the end of the day, follow my trading plan. I follow my risk management rules. I knew how much I was risking, and you can't control the markets. Once you're in the trade, you gotta let the trade just do what it do. Can't control the markets, right? So that was Tuesday's trade setup. Could have been better. Price action could have played out better, but hey, you can't control the markets, and that's what price did. So yeah, after that we called it a day. Lost $500. I just continued with my day, call it a day. Just accept the loss, accept the risk before you even get in the trade, and yeah, man, and whatever outcomes happen, just live with it, let it be. And if you manage your risk correctly, then you should live to trade another day. And that's basically the whole trick of trading. Manage your risk properly, so like that you live to trade another day, right? Normally I risk like 2%. On this trade I risk probably like 2.5% of my trading account. And yeah, and that was Tuesday's trade setup. That's what I saw, and that's why I took this trade, right? For those in the group chat that will be seeing this, that's basically the breakdown of why I took this trade, why I saw that. And I got no explanation on why this candle shot up and hit our stop loss, but it just is what it is. You got to be prepared for anything to happen in the markets. Be prepared for anything to happen in the markets, because at the end of the day, I don't know what's going to happen in the markets. You don't know what's going to happen in the markets. Wall Street don't know what's going to happen in the markets. Nobody knows what's going to happen in the markets. So you always need to have your stop loss in place. Always know how much you're risking before you even enter the trade. And accept your risk, bro. Accept your loss. Accept your risk. That's it. Accept your risk before you even get in the trade. So like that, once your stop loss does get hit, it doesn't affect you. And yeah, that's Tuesday's trade breakdown. Like, comment, subscribe. Till next time. If you want to learn how I trade, link is in the description or bio as well. So like that, you guys could tap into the video program of me teaching you the strategy I use, or tap into the book program where I break down the strategy I use. Or if you want one-on-one mentorship, come join the Discord, and yeah, and you can have one-on-one with me, and we can see what you've been doing wrong, maybe what you could adjust in your trading plan or your trading strategy or your trading system, and see how we can improve it, so like that you can begin to see better results in your trading. And yeah, that's about it. Till next time.